Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. We are based in Elementor today. My name is Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and it's my absolute pleasure, as always, to welcome you here. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to discuss how would we implement an animation within inside of our page that we're dealing and we're trying to build for our website. It's a very, very commonly asked question. And what I'm going to do today is show you a sort of step-by-step guide of how to implement animations within your page on your website. Now, what I'm going to do first of all is go to a website called Lottie Files. Fabulous place for you to go and discover free animations. Okay, so I'm going to go to Discover at the top of the screen here, and let's go to free animations. And what they've got this new little area for us called categories, where we can go now and have a look at a wide range of categories with animations within inside them. So as you can see here, we've got a wide plethora of genres of animations that you can use for your website. And let's say, for instance, I'm liking this meditation animations category. Okay. Let's try and find a cool one that we can use. Okay. Let's say, for instance, here, I like our friend that's floating with a light bulb above his head. So what we're going to do now is let's just download this particular animation. You've got to download the JSON Lottie file. Okay. So what we're going to do is go back to Elementor. So what I've got is I've got a page set up on Elementor. What I'd like to do now is implement that animation that I just downloaded. So what I'm first going to do is build a structure. So I'm probably going to go for a double structure like so. Now, the widget you need to be using to implement the animation within inside of your page here is called Lottie. So what we're going to do now, let's have a little look through Lottie here. There it is. Okay. So what I'm going to simply do now is click and drag this into my structure. And as you can see, it implements the default Elementor animation. But obviously, as you're aware, we would like to implement the one we just downloaded. So what I'm going to do is come to our little icon here, upload JSON file. And I'm going to go to upload files, select files. There we go. Open. And there it is implemented. So what I'm going to do now is insert the media. And there is our animation. Okay. And what the benefit of this is you can actually manipulate the animation itself. Okay. So if we were now to click it, as you can see, it's stopped. Okay. And what you can do now is you can go to settings here. You can click loop and turn loop on. So we're continuously just going over and over and over again. You have the play speed here, which you can speed up if you're looking to do that, or slow down, obviously, if you're looking to do that also as well. Okay, now obviously what I would like to do now is add a title, some text, and sort of a call to action button. So what I'm going to do is come back to my widgets. I've got my title heading widget to place there, for instance. So if we were to come here, for instance, now what I want to do now is implement some text like so. I can drag that in. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is let's align this better. So if we select the column here, what I'm going to do is align it vertically in the middle, like so. And then what I'm going to do now is just come and add a little button, a call to action button here. Just click and drag that widget in like so. Okay, and with the button here, what you can do is you can change the color. So I'm going to probably go for sort of reddy kind of color. Let's say you can change the text color. You can change the typography type. Okay. And let's say, for instance, now we want to align that in the center. We can do. Okay. And that's how, guys, you implement an animation with inside Elementor. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics as a school, the courses we offer, do not hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, what you can do is you can visit our Instagram page, Blue Sky Graphics UK, excuse me, to visit, to look at some of our work by our students and just to find out more about Blue Sky Graphics. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.